Feels good. Got the pants, got the charms, necklace, zipper, everything.
What's going on, guys? This is your channel TFD, back again with another banger video. And it looks like Caitlin Clark just pulled off something huge. Not only did she bless her teammates with her brand new signature merch, but every single fan walking into Gainbridge tonight is walking out with the very first drop of Caitlin Clark's Nike line. Guys, for this one, we gotta head straight up to Indy. Let's get it. Let's go. Now listen, your channel TFD gotta keep it real here. I made a whole video going off on the Fever for dragging their feet on showing Caitlin Clark the love she deserves. I'll admit it, I thought they weren't gonna do anything. But wow, did they prove me wrong. They didn't just do something, they did everything. The outside of Gainbridge Fieldhouse? Completely Caitlin Clark themed. Inside, every single fan gets a Caitlin Clark shirt, no exceptions. I mean, you can't make this up. Caitlin Clark is literally the talk of the internet right now. Her and Taylor Swift are out here breaking the internet in real time. And let's talk about that logo. Some people are saying it gives Chanel vibes, others are saying Gucci. Me, I just know it screams luxury sports. And here's the crazy thing. Nike might actually be shifting the whole game here. They're blending sportswear with luxury fashion. Something that's never been done like this before. A sports brand turning into a legit luxury fashion powerhouse, but keeping it affordable at the same time. That's the secret sauce. And if this is how the women's collection looks, man, I'm already itching to see what they roll out for the men's line. So this right here is Caitlin Clark pulling up today, and let me tell you, we got a whole bunch of new shots of her fit. She's rocking a clean Nike crop top, paired up with some oversized joggers, all stamped with her signature logo. And you want to know what kind of vibe this is giving me? Straight Gucci vibes. Straight Chanel vibes. She even got that belt chain hanging with her logo shining through, and on top of that, a gold chain rocking her brand front and center. I'm telling you, this doesn't even look like normal sports merch. This looks like high-end fashion. Luxury brand type of drip. Everybody in the arena today came through wearing Caitlin Clark stuff, and the whole place looked like a runway show. This is different. This ain't just basketball merch. This is a movement.
Feels good. Got the pants, got the charms, necklace, zipper, everything. Feels good.
And what's crazy about this is...
And what's wild about all of this, guys, it ain't even officially out yet. Caitlin knew this merch was getting cooked up, but she kept it on the low. Didn't say a word. Even her brother Connor? Yeah, he was in on it too. Everybody played their role perfectly. Now look at Gainbridge today. Huge banners, logos everywhere. And the phrase? Caitlin was here. That's the theme. I don't even fully get what they mean by it, but hey, it's catchy, it's bold, and it's everywhere. This is it, man. This is how they rolled it out. Mystery, surprise, and then boom, Caitlin Clark all over Indy. Honestly, I think it's one of the coolest things I've seen in sports merch in a long time. No cap. So this right here is Caitlin Clark again. More photos dropping. And yeah, she has officially broken the internet, man. Shout out to Caitlin, bro, look at her. She knows she lit. Now, here's the wild part. They're even handing out cookies with Caitlin Clark's logo on them. Yeah, cookies. I think they're free too. Shout out to this fan for showing them off. Caitlin Clark out here making cookies for everybody, bro. With her logo stamped right on top. That's crazy. And look at the fans, man. Everybody's rocking the Caitlin Clark merch. One girl even tucked hers in, made it a whole new look. That was Aerial Powers, shout out to her. She's making it her own, and it's tough. That's hard, bro. I love seeing this type of energy. Her teammates showing love, fans going viral, Nike backing her up. It's just one big celebration. Honestly, this is one hell of a gift to the city and to the W. Shout out to Nike, man. And that's where I want to take this next conversation. Because Nike might be setting a whole new standard with what they just pulled off. So, a lot of people been giving Nike a hard time. Shoot, even me at one point. I was going at Nike heavy, because I didn't know what their plan was with Caitlin Clark. But now, I see the vision. And if y'all don't see the vision yet, let me break it down for you. This Caitlin Clark line right here. This isn't just merch. This is a luxury sports brand. That's why it took so long. They had to get it right. From the design to the double C's to the sleek finish, it all feels like high fashion. You gotta have an eye for style to really catch what Nike is doing here. And I'll be real with you. The part that's blowing my mind? The Nike logo is tucked away small. It ain't big, it ain't in your face. It's almost like Caitlin is standing as her own brand. And I love it. I respect it. Now I'm just waiting to see the sneakers. That's the next big move. And check this out. Outside Gainbridge Fieldhouse, they even got basketball hoops set up. Nobody saw this coming. They did all this overnight, kept it completely under wraps. Shout out to the city of Indy, man. Shout out to the Fever organization. Y'all pulled off a surprise nobody expected. This logo. Iconic. Straight up iconic. I'm talking Jordan level iconic. That's how big this is gonna be. And honestly, I couldn't have predicted it being this major. So, I gotta keep it real. I owe the Fever an apology. I've been hard on y'all for not showing Caitlin Clark enough love. But what y'all did today is next level. I don't think another franchise has ever rolled out the red carpet like this for a rookie star. Nobody. So yeah, from me to you, Indiana Fever, I'm sorry. But don't get it twisted. I'm still gonna hold y'all accountable when I need to. But today, y'all did something special, and I gotta give you props. Now guys, get in the comments. Let me know what you think about this rollout. Smash that like, keep those bells on. 'Cause this is just the beginning. Now, if we take a step back and look at the big picture here, we still haven't actually seen Caitlin suit up in a uniform since mid-July, right before the All-Star break. That's a long stretch. So before tonight's game, I went ahead and listened to Coach White about Caitlin's progress. She's been out there, she's been active in the last couple of shoot-arounds, but the real question is, what exactly does Coach need to see from Caitlin herself? What's the next step in her return? Here we go again. If you're part of the Fever, when you saw Lexie Hull collide with Gabby Williams underneath the basket, you knew right away it was just an unfortunate accident. They banged heads hard, and both players had to come out of the game to get checked. Now Lexie was able to make it back, but she came in with a big knot right on the side of her forehead. You could see it plain as day, and no doubt she was feeling that pain, probably throbbing the entire time she was out there. But credit to her, because she returned, played through it, and gave the team nearly 23 minutes tonight. And with the Fever running so thin at the guard spot, relying on multiple 7-day hardship contracts, her presence was huge. Lexie's been that steady, dependable option for this group, and once again, even after the scare, she delivered.
I didn't know exactly what happened when it happened. It was kind of just like a clash. But looking at the video, it just, Gabby and I ran into each other, unlucky. I think we both have knots on our heads, so.
Here's what happened.
Yeah, I think it's more of like what just happened, big like collision. I just need some time. Felt my face, felt a growing knot, so that doesn't feel good.
Getting back on the bench, was everybody just kind of staring at your forehead directly? And...
I knew, yeah. Everyone's like, you look beautiful. I'm like, I know I look insane, but it honestly looks better now than it did when it first happened, so hopefully this goes down quick.
Did you glance up at the video board to like see it? Like, did you get a look at it?
No, I could see it looking out, like I could see it just from my own eyes, so I didn't need to look anywhere. I knew it was going to be big.
No way. So
Yes.
It's in your peripheral vision?
Yes, it was literally like sticking out. I mean, it's still big right here, but it was bigger and I could see it, so they brought it down a little.
I feel like Lexie's the definition of tough.
Yes.
I think when you just think of her as a player, the way that she hustles, she likes to get loose balls, extra offensive possessions. That's what she does. I mean, she got hit, she came back and just continued to contribute again. Was a pest on defense, just making her presence felt, offensive rebounds, and that's just who Lexie is. So.
That was disgusting. I don't know if y'all saw it, but I mean, it's who she is. You know, she's just a tough young woman who battles every possession, and you know, you can never tell if Lexie does, if she's hurt, if she's injured, if she goes down, if she gets back up. She just always has the same expression, and she just plays her butt off. And you know, I'm thankful that it wasn't worse, and thankful that she was able to come back. But she really kind of epitomizes the toughness and the grit of this team.